Hello everyone, very warm welcome and very good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you are watching this video. This video, this series that we have started is specially targeting your JIBO examination, Junior India-based officer that is being conducted by State Bank of India for getting postings in other countries, foreign countries, right? So this is that particular examination that is being conducted by State Bank of India, right? We will be starting with floor-based puzzle. So majorly, initially we will be discussing the theory related to floor-based puzzle, and then we will be solving one or two set based on floor-based puzzle. So these sessions are not going to be too lengthy, maximum 15 to 20 minute session, right? Let us understand, let us assume that there are, let's suppose, 5 persons, right, living on 5 different floors. Names are A, B, C, D, E. Numbering will always be given 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Numbering will be given that the top floor is 5, then 4, and bottommost floor is 1, and so on. Is it okay? Now, let us assume that out of all these persons, if A is sitting here, and if I tell you that है ना, 2 persons, or I can say floors, right? I can say person or I can say floor. Why? Because every person on every floor, one person on one floor. So number of floors is equal to number of person. So either I can say person or floor. That will convey the same meaning. 2 persons between A and B. Between A and B. Then B will be 1, 2. This will be B. Fourth floor easy. If 2 persons are there between A and B, and A, you already know that is A is at ground floor. So gap of 2 floors, then you will make B sit 2 persons between A and B. Similarly, next case. If I say B is 2 places above A, now understand this. B is 2 places above A. Let's suppose this is A. If this is B, just above A, can I say that B is 1 floor above A? Can I say B is 1 floor above A? Of course. And if I ask how many floors are there? 0 between them. ठीक है. This is A. 1 floor. Then on second floor, B is there. Can I say that B is first floor, 1 floor above, 2 floor above? Can I say B is 2 floor above? This is 1 floor above, this is 2 floor above. How many floors are there? 1 floor. ठीक है. If this is a 1 floor above, 2 floor above, 3 floor above, can I say that B is 3 floors above A? But number of floors between always one less, right? Always one less. Number of floors between one less. Let us suppose if B is 100 floors above A. This is A. B is 100 floors above A. So how many floors will be in between? 99. On 100th, this is 100th floor. On 100th floor, the person itself will be. But in between, always one less, right? So, B is 2 places above A. 1 place above, 2 places above. This is B. Places above, places below, 3 places right, 4 places left, all convey the same meaning. How many boxes in between, persons in between, floors between, places between them, always one less. That you need to remember, right? Let us suppose third case number 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Let us suppose this is A. B is adjacent to A. B is adjacent to A. B is adjacent to A. So either this can be B or this can be B. Adjacent, or I can say B is immediate to A. Na? I can also write B is immediate to A. That means either immediate above or immediate below. Adjacent means either immediate above or immediate below. That is the meaning of adjacent, right? B is adjacent to A. I hope this was clear. So this was the case when 5 person, 5 floors, these are the name of person. That means every floor was occupied by one person. No floor was vacant. every floor, on every floor one person. So number of persons is equal to number of floors, right? Let us understand the next case, that is the case of vacant floor. Now what we are understanding, okay, nahin, let me solve here. Now what we are seeing case of vacant floor. Vacant floor, I generally mention vacant floor as V, putting that in a circle, vacant floor. Now let us suppose there are 5 persons, but floors are 6, right? 5 persons by A, B, C, D, E, right? Now because there are 5 persons and number of floors are 6, obviously you can see one floor will be vacant. Vacant means there will not be any person living on one of the given floors. Now that vacant floor can be anywhere, no condition is given. Okay? So 6 floors, so 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let us suppose this is A again, condition 1. If I say 3 floors are between A and B, what will be the floor of B? Again, if I say 3 floors are there between A and B, then what will be the floor of B? Numbering is given, है ना? And one vacant floor is there. Number of floors are 6, but number of persons are 5. 3 floors between A and B. This is 1 floor, this is 2 floor, this is 3 floor. 3 floors between A and B. Next condition. This is A, okay? 3 persons between A and B. So B will here B will be at 5 floor, 5th floor. 3 persons between A and B, right? Now in the previous example, because number of floors is equal to number of person, on every floor one person was sitting. Here the case is different. Number of floors are more, persons are less. Floors are 6, persons are 5. So one floor has to be vacant. Now that floor can be anywhere. But when I am required to find this condition, 3 floors between A and B, I just have to count floor. Floor 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of those floor, which is vacant, which is occupied, that is of not any concern to me. But when I am counting person, now the consideration has to be considered of vacant floor. How? This is A. Now maybe, possibility, maybe between A and B, there is no vacant floor. That means this is occupied, this is occupied, this is occupied. 3 person, 3 person. This can be B, so this will be vacant floor. Why? Because there has to be a vacant floor. Na? The condition itself is saying 6 persons only, 5 persons only, 6 floors are there, so one floor has to be vacant. Now, another case for this only, this is A. Now here we have considered, I have considered that between A and B, there is no vacant floor, but there can be a vacant floor. Na? So yes, in that situation, B will come here. Now here you will see that you have how many floors? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 floors. You have 4 floors. Out of those 4 floors, 3 will be occupied and any one will be vacant, because vacant flat also I need to place. Now I need to write somewhere that this floor is vacant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is second case. Out of these 4 floors, any one will be vacant, and on the remaining 3 persons will be there. 3 persons between A and B. Remaining everything is the same. Related to puzzle, है ना? Related to puzzle. Some key points related to every puzzle and every sitting arrangement. Try to start with confirm information. Whatever information is given as confirm. For example, in floor, that person A is on top floor, bottom floor, mid floor, exactly mid floor, and so on. Related to this confirm information, write connected information or related, then make all the possibilities. And if there is no confirm information, then match and mix maximum related information. A related to B, B related to C, C related to D. Use all these together, place in the question solution, right? All right, so this was the basic introduction of floor-based puzzle. Now, in the next class, I will explain floor and flat-based theoretical part, then questions, then we have our box-based and so on, right? So now, shall we solve one or two questions? So specifically, especially those who are in our paid course of this JIBO examination. Already we have covered sitting arrangement puzzle, and especially for you guys, these sessions are being uploaded. We have planned these sessions so as to make sure that you revise and you solve many more questions from these YT sessions as well. So this is the very first question, right? Let's read this out. So if anyone wants to read in Hindi, you can read it in Hindi and English. Let's take 30 seconds. Read it carefully. Read the question carefully. So I have considered a question of two variable. There is a floor, seven-storied building. Seven persons are living, and every person is having a particular defined age. That age is not directly given. That age is given in range. Shall we continue? Let's see. So there is a seven-story building. Floors are numbered 1 to 7, with one being 7 on the top. So this is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hmm. Range of age is given 11 to 31. Any person can be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 till 31. Any of these number can be the age of any of the person. The persons whose ages are a perfect square are living immediate next to each other. Now, out of this range, what are the perfect squares? 16 and 25. The question says this 16 wala and 25 are living immediate. Upper niche, these can be immediate above below each other. We do not know the order. We don't know the order. Who is on which floor? Where, who is above, who is below. But these two will be coming together. That condition is given. The persons whose ages are a perfect square number live immediate next to each other. B, whose age is 27, third floor. This is B, whose age is 27, is living on third floor. ठीक है. D lives immediately below A. Wherever A will be, D lives immediately below A. D immediately below A. Two persons whose ages are consecutive number, lowermost and topmost. Whosoever will be living on seventh and first floor, their ages will be consecutive number 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 20, 21, within this range, of course, within this range. Is it okay? Next. There are total of three persons between the one whose age is the largest perfect square, that is 25, and E. That means between E and the person whose age is 25, total number of persons, or I can say total number of floors, is 3. 3. A is living 3 floors above the one whose age is perfect square and his age is 15. So A is living 3 floors above, 1, 2, 3, whose age is perfect square. Now it can be 25, it can be 16, whose age is perfect square, we do not know. And his age is 15, that means A's age is given 15. A's age, whose age is 15, 3 floors above the one whose age is perfect square. That can be 25, can be 16. E lives below the one whose age is 3 less than the one who is living on the topmost floor. So somewhere E is living somewhere below that person whose age is 3 less than the person living on the top floor. Age of D is the average. Age of D is the average of age of A. A is 15. And the one whose age is the largest perfect square, that is 25, divided by 2. 25, 30, 40, 20. Can I write here A's age is 15 and D's age is 20? ठीक है. More than one person between C and G. Between C and G, number of persons. More than one means 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, as we were just discussing that, try to start a solution with the confirmed information. But as you can see, I have written all the useful condition, but no such condition is given as confirmed other than B. But B is not connecting anywhere. The problem is that. No problem. Let us try to use maximum condition. I can relate A 25, 16, 25, 16, AD. But try to use this. If I place A on the top floor, start from here. A is 15, just below A, D 20. After A, leaving 2, 25, leaving 2, this will be 25 and 16. Now 25, 16, the special case of 25, 16 is that 25, 16 are immediate to each other. This is 27, so don't you think this will be either 25, 16? Another case, this cannot be A, this can be A. A is 15, D is 20, leaving to 25, 16, 25, 16. Is it okay? Now, A 25, C and G, E 25, 3, AD, 25, huh. Now let us eliminate, try to eliminate. How? Let us suppose this is 25. If this is 25, then 3 between E and 25. 25, 1, 2, 3. Not possible, 1, 2, 3. This is not 25, 16 and 25. 1, 2, 3. This will be E. Similarly here. If this is 25, 1, 2, 3, E. Not possible. 25, 1, 2, 3, E. Possible. Is it okay? E 25. Yes. This is your solution. Now, related to E, we had a very good condition. E lives below the one whose age is 3 less than the one who is living on topmost floor. That means above E there has to be minimum 2 persons. So that E lives below the one, this person whose age is 3 less than the person living on top. But here you will see that E is having just 1 person above. Now E is living below the top person. Top person cannot have age 3 less than the top person itself. That means this case is wrong. E lives below whose age is 3 less than top. Top pe 15, 15 minus 3 is 12. This will be 12. Is it okay? Now it was also one more important condition. The persons living, 2 persons whose ages are consecutive live on top and lowermost floor. Top floor pe we have 15. So what are the consecutive numbers of 15? Either it can be 14 or it can be 16. Now one more important condition is given, different ages. 16 is already given. This is 16, so this has to be 14. More than 1 person, minimum 2 person between C and G. This is C and G 1, 2. This is C and G. Remaining will be F. F tha? F. Right. So this is your solution, and yes, there will be possibility between C and G. Right. There will be possibility between C and G. So, so we'll be ending our class, right? Just for your theoretical clarification, we have, in all the classes that are coming ahead of today's day, majorly our concern is that we will be again revising the theoretical part more properly, more in detail, plus 1 or 2 questions so that we can understand that. Apart from that, already you have studied in the paid class. Apart from that, already I have started sharing you the YT sessions. So on the same channel, this channel of IBS, daily I am taking a YouTube session also. Although that is targeting any different banking sector examination, but still the syllabus is same and the level of question is same. So you can practice and you should practice from those sessions as well. If you're not able to join live, no problem. In complete day, whenever you're getting time, do watch those sessions, right? So thank you all for watching this, and in the next video, we will try to understand floor and flat based puzzle. plus some examples. Thank you all once again. Take care and keep preparing with us, and goodbye.